Okay, go ahead.
Dip the chicken in the soapy water.
Whoops, hold on to her.
All wet.
Hold on to her.
Get him all wet.
And if you hold her up, Lydia can wash her claws.
Here, wash your claws.
All right, James, you need to have a better grip on her, honey.
Okay.
All right, did you get her?
Here.
Yeah.
I got a good grip.
Okay, wash it real good. 1 and 2. 1, now the other one, dear. Okay.
Now rinse it.
Yes, now rinse. Give them 2 rinses all the way in the water. There's 1. Good, James. And 2.
He's floating.
Okay. Let's come over here. And here's the towel. Let's dry her off. And we'll give her a quick blow dry. You ready, son?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on to her.
Other side?
Yes, please. Ready for the fair. She needs more blow drying, but she'll get baby oil later. All right, and then this is where we have the chickens that we're taking to the fair.
One chicken?
Oh wait, we're gonna blow dry her a little bit more. Okay, say bye.
Bye.